Happy rails to you. Welcome back, my friends. Happy rails to you. It's good to see you again. Thanks for watching the channel and the videos. Sometimes they go real fast and sometimes they're slow. Happy rails to you. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, welcome back. It's G-Man, My World 67. Hope you guys are having a good week this week. Had something I want to share with you. You know, we just completed our pair of Norfolk and Western. Now, I still haven't done the redone the lettering on the combine car here on this side, but I do plan to in the near future. I got to get me another, either I've got to get a stencil for it, or my hand's just not that steady, or I need another gold pen. But anyway, I just got this in. A couple of days ago, and my light's trying to play trick on me here. And we'll just bring it back a little further. Oh, that's too far. Forward, right there. I think. Okay. And got this box in. And I've already started to open it. I'll finish opening it here. Now, as I was working on those cars, of course, I was searching to see if I could find another reasonable car to go with them. I don't know, I was searching for a couple of weeks. And I finally, I came up with three or four different ones. They were a little higher than what I wanted to go. But I did find this pair. Actually, another pair of cars. That you won't believe what they are. Now these are like brand new, guys. And so I was really pleased when I found these. I don't have to work on them. As I say, they didn't come with the original boxes, but the cars themselves are like brand spanking new. And there it is, Norfolk and Western baggage car, number 1425. Here's the one we did. Number 1425. There's the new one. Number 1425. You can see it good. Put that away. New one. Rebuilt one. Or reclaimed. Or resalvaged. Or salvaged. These have originally, and I didn't know, but these originally have weighted trucks. So this has got a little weight to it. These trucks are die cast. The frames, the side frames are plastic, but the trucks themselves, the truck frames are die cast, and these have quite a bit of weight to them. The other car that came along with this and I'm really happy about this, to get this, because I was actually going to, had made an offer on one for what I, just this car, for what I actually paid, a little more actually than what I paid for the combination for the baggage car in this. Dome car. That is nice. Whoops. Well, I didn't notice that. But that's no big fix. And actually, when I see how they're put together a lot like I put mine together. It's just a screw down through the bolster. This is broke out, so I will have to do a repair. So, broke out. So we will be doing a video on the repair of this car. Didn't know that. Didn't see it. Of course I couldn't. In the picture it didn't show it. And they didn't tell it. But it's okay, because I did get a good deal on it. I don't know why my light keeps fading in and out. But I did get a good deal on it, and so I'm still happy and I'm still pleased with it. Like I said, these cars are both like new. They are used. And I'll only be using one combination. Probably, I probably won't run both, baggage cars. I keep thinking combination because I saw a combination car just the other day. And I thought, I kind of like to have that combination car. But anyway, I won't be running both baggage cars at the same time, although I might use them temporarily just to have a 4-car consist. But yeah, there it is. So I just wanted to do a quick video, document these, and share them with you. Now I do have a 4-car consist. I also am looking at a coach that is in need of rebuilding. It's just a shell, and then I have to buy truck sport, and it does not have the interior, and it does not have the top. And so what I might do, as all of these cars are the same length, I might take the top off of the combination car that I rebuilt, just temporarily, and put it on the coach. Who knows? And just run this good coach. Well, they're both good coaches now, but I can run this good baggage car and take the top off of the other baggage car, put it on the coach, and might have to make me an interior. I hadn't been able to find an interior for that. So if I decide to get those, I'll keep you posted. But as for now, so guys, thanks for watching. Sorry I took up so much of your time today. But as always, remember, God loves you. Jesus Christ is Lord. And I appreciate you all. Happy rails. Until next time. This has been a Catzilla production. 2024. All right. God bless. Bye-bye.